In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Microsoft Project. If you manage budgets or track costs in Project, setting the correct currency is essential for clarity and consistency. I'll walk you through the Windows desktop version and explain exactly what each option does so you can format costs the way you expect. Start by opening Microsoft Project on your computer. Look to the top left and click File to open the Backstage view, then select Options. This opens the Project Options window where all the application and project level settings live. In the menu on the left, choose Display. Now scroll until you see the section labeled Currency Options for this project. Everything we need is right here. You'll see three key settings: currency symbol, placement, and decimal digits. Currency symbol controls what appears next to your cost values. You can pick a standard currency like USD, EUR, or PHP from the list, or if you prefer a specific character, you can type the symbol directly, such as dollar, DU, or P. Placement determines whether the symbol appears before or after the number, which helps align with regional formatting styles. Decimal digits lets you choose how many decimal places appear on costs. 2 decimals is common for most currencies, but if you work with a currency that has no minor unit, you can set this to 0 for cleaner totals. Keep in mind, these options change how values are displayed. They do not convert amounts. For example, switching from USD to EUR updates the symbol and formatting, but the underlying numbers remain the same unless you adjust rates or costs yourself. Once you've set the symbol, placement, and decimals the way you want, click OK to save. Your project updates immediately, and every cost field, like resource rates, task costs, and totals, will now appear with your chosen currency formatting. If you don't see the change, make sure you're viewing cost columns and that you edited settings in the correct project. A few important notes to keep your data accurate. The currency setting applies only to the current project file. It won't change other projects. Microsoft Project doesn't support multiple currencies within a single project, so keep everything consistent from the start. And if you plan to combine projects or insert sub-projects, they all need to use the same currency to avoid misleading roll-ups and totals. That's it. With these settings in place, your costs will be clear, consistent, and ready for reporting.